All right, let's talk about borders. Now, generally, we have been using this shorthand for border, which sets the thickness, the style, and the color. So this sets the thickness to 7 pixels. Solid means it's a solid style. So we have different styles of border. And of course, the red specifies the color of the border. You can specify different thickness of borders, and you could specify a certain section of the border. For example, I could say border top 12 pixels. This gives us a border at the top, 12 pixels in thickness, and a color red. So we can as well also play around with certain styles. For example, I could say dashed, and of course it gives us a dashed line instead of a solid line. Let us stick with solid for now. Now I can go ahead and give the border bottom a different color. So what it's saying here is give the border a color of red. But then I go below to say give the border bottom green. So it gives us that look. Then, of course, you have the situation of border style for the bottom. I can make it dashed, so giving us this overall look. We can play around with the borders a lot. Play around with colors, play around with the thickness, and play around with the style. Also, take into consideration the shorthand attribute for border, where we can set the thickness, color, and style in one line.